Jason with Smile Mile Painting. I'm here at the Trac in Pasco. We're at the Family Expo, so come down here. You can paint some rocks. We have got a spot for you to be able to sign up for a free estimate for any painting project that you might have. So get down here, come to the Trac. We're here till 8 o'clock tonight and then all day tomorrow.
So what we're doing is a rock painting contest for the kids. So we take a picture of them with their rock after they're all finished, and with your permission, we post their picture on our Facebook page. So once all their pictures are posted, we give you a card. You can send all your friends and family to go like their picture, and the kid with the most likes on their photo at the end of the weekend is going to win $100. Just cash that they can have. It's fun.
You can sign up for a free painting estimate and get your painting projects on the schedule and ready to go.